What is up, everybody? It's 2025 and YouTube just flipped the script on how creators get paid. Forget grinding for 1,000 subs, you don't even need to show your face anymore. YouTube's got this brand new way to cash in, and trust me, it's way easier than anything we've seen before. We're talking about making your first $200 a day on YouTube, and you can start today. That's right, today! No waiting for monetization, no needing thousands of subscribers. I'm gonna break down exactly how it works, step by step, so you can start seeing those sweet YouTube earnings hit your bank account. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools to use, which strategies work best right now, and how to automate the whole process. So, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive into the future of YouTube monetization. Okay, so you might be thinking, YouTube in 2025, isn't that like oversaturated? And honestly, a couple of years ago I might have said yeah, but right now, there's never been a better time to get in the game. YouTube is making it rain for creators right now, especially if you're just starting out. First off, YouTube Shorts. You've probably heard of them, maybe even watched a few, or 100. But now, Shorts aren't just for going viral, they're a cash cow. YouTube just rolled out this new ad revenue program specifically for Shorts creators. And the best part? You don't even need to be monetized the old school way, that's right. No more 1,000 subscriber hurdles or stressing about watch hours. YouTube's dropping ads on Shorts and sharing the revenue with creators at a crazy good rate. We're talking $3 to $5 per 1,000 views, even if you're just starting out with 0 subscribers. So, if you can tap into what's working right now, you can literally start making money from day one. And that brings me to the second reason why 2025 is the year to win on YouTube AI tools. Look, I get it, creating content can seem daunting, but now, AI is here to do the heavy lifting. We're talking AI that writes your scripts, edits your videos, even creates stunning visuals, all in a fraction of the time it used to take. So whether you're a one-person show or you've got a whole team, AI levels the playing field. It's like having a team of editors, writers, and graphic designers working for you 24/7, but without the hefty price tag. Seriously, some of these tools are even free, so if you've been sleeping on YouTube, now's the time to wake up. The opportunity is there, the tools are cheaper and more powerful than ever, and YouTube is literally handing out cash to creators. Let's dive into the first method to start banking off those YouTube views. Alright, let's talk about how to capitalize on YouTube's insatiable appetite for shorts. And the secret weapon here is AI-generated content. Now, before you click away thinking this is about those soulless robotic voices, trust me, it's not. AI has come a long way, and I'm about to show you how to use it to pump out high-quality shorts that actually get views and money. There are a bunch of AI tools out there, but the one I've been messing around with is called Name of AI Tool. And the thing that blows my mind about this tool is that you can feed it one simple idea, and it'll spit out like 100 different shorts variations. Seriously, it's insane. So, let's say your channel is about fitness tips. You could give the AI a prompt like, top 3 exercises for bigger biceps, and boom, it'll generate a ton of different shorts, each with its own unique spin on that idea. Different angles, different music, different editing styles, it's wild. Now the key here is to not just blindly upload everything the AI spits out. You still want to maintain that quality control. Think of the AI as your personal editing assistant, giving you a head start and a bunch of options to choose from. Go through the generated shorts, pick the best ones, and maybe tweak them slightly to match your brand. And the beauty of this is that you can literally pump out content like a machine. Remember those $3 to $5 per 1,000 views we talked about? Imagine uploading 5 AI-generated shorts per day, each pulling in a modest 10,000 views. That's $15 to $25 per video per day. Multiply that by 5 videos and you're already looking at $75 to $125 per day. But it doesn't stop there. The more you upload, the more data you feed the YouTube algorithm. And as YouTube learns what your audience likes, it'll start pushing your shorts to even more viewers. So, those 10,000 views per short can quickly turn into 20,000, 50,000, even 100,000 views or more. And the best part, you don't even need to show your face. You can use stock footage, B-roll, animations, even those AI avatars everyone's talking about. The possibilities are endless. Okay, so maybe shorts aren't your thing. Maybe you're camera shy. Or maybe you just want to build a more passive income stream. Well, that's where faceless channels come in. And trust me, this is where things get really interesting. Faceless channels are exactly what they sound like, YouTube channels that don't require you to be on camera. And in 2025, they're more powerful than ever. We're talking about tapping into niches where people are hungry for information, not necessarily for your charming personality. Think about it. How many times have you gone down a YouTube rabbit hole watching explainer videos, tutorials, or even those relaxing sleep sounds? Those are all prime examples of faceless channels, and the beauty of it is that you can automate almost the entire process. Remember those AI tools we talked about? Well, they're not just for shorts. You can use them to create entire videos from scratch. We're talking AI scriptwriters that generate engaging scripts based on trending keywords, AI voiceovers that sound incredibly human, and AI video editors that piece everything together with music, transitions, and even B-roll footage. Now I know what you're thinking, won't people be able to tell it's AI? And honestly, a few years ago maybe. But the tech has gotten so good that it's getting harder and harder to distinguish between human-created content and AI-generated content. Plus, remember, we're not trying to fool anyone. We're providing value. As long as your content is informative, engaging, and well-produced, people won't care who or what created it. They just want the information. And here's the kicker, because you're automating so much of the process, you can scale this to a level that wouldn't be possible with traditional YouTube channels. We're talking about running multiple faceless channels, each targeting a different niche, all generating passive income for you. Now, let's talk about niches. Specifically the boring niches that nobody's talking about, because they're quietly making bank. Look, everyone's out here trying to be the next big thing, chasing trends and battling for attention in the most saturated categories. But the real opportunity lies in the niches that nobody else wants to touch. And I'm not talking about niches that are actually boring. I'm talking about niches that seem mundane on the surface but have a massive, engaged audience that's starving for content. Here's an example. Product reviews for everyday items. Think about it. How many times have you searched for a review of a new vacuum cleaner, a coffee maker, or even a toothbrush? People rely on YouTube for these types of videos, and the competition is surprisingly low. Another overlooked niche? Tutorials and how-to videos for seemingly simple tasks. How to tie a tie, how to change a tire, how to fold a fitted sheet. These videos get millions of views because people are always looking for quick and easy solutions to everyday problems. And the beauty of these boring niches is that the content is evergreen. A tutorial on how to change a tire is going to be relevant for years to come, unlike a video about the latest TikTok dance craze, which might be old news next week. So, how do you find these golden niche opportunities? It's all about tapping into your own curiosity and paying attention to what people are searching for. Think about the things you've searched for on YouTube recently. Think about the questions you hear people asking. Once you've identified a few potential niches, do some research. See what kind of content is already out there, how often it's being uploaded, and how many views those videos are getting. You might be surprised at what you find. Alright, so you've got your niche, you're pumping out content, the views are rolling in, but how do you actually get paid? Well, in 2025, YouTube made it easier than ever to cash in with their updated partner program. Seriously, they've streamlined the whole process and you can hit that payout threshold faster than ever before. Remember how we used to have to wait until we hit $100 in earnings? Yeah, well, forget about that. YouTube now lets you cash out as soon as you hit $50. That's right, $50. And trust me, with the strategies we've talked about, hitting that $50 mark can happen way faster than you think, even within the first week if you're strategic about it. Now, there are a few things you need to do to qualify for the 2025 partner program, but don't worry, it's not as daunting as it used to be. First up, you need to have an AdSense account. This is how Google pays you those sweet, sweet ad revenue dollars. Setting it up is super straightforward. Just head over to the AdSense website and follow the steps. Next, you need to make sure you're adhering to YouTube's community guidelines. This is just basic stuff like no spam, no misleading content, and no copyright infringement. Basically, just be a decent human being and create content that provides value, and you're golden. Once you've got your AdSense sorted and you're playing by the rules, it's just a matter of racking up those views and letting the ad revenue roll in. And with YouTube's new emphasis on shorts monetization and the power of AI content creation, hitting that $50 payout threshold is well within reach, even for brand new creators. So there you have it, guys. 3 proven methods to start making some serious cash on YouTube in 2025. And the best part, you can start today, with 0 subscribers, and using the power of AI to streamline the entire process. Remember, the YouTube game is all about consistency and providing value. Find your niche, create high-quality content, and leverage those AI tools to work smarter, not harder. The future of content creation is here, and it's more accessible than ever before. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these methods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to take your YouTube game to the next level, I've put together a free list of the top 5 AI tools that I personally use to automate my entire YouTube business. Comment YT 2025, and I'll send my free list of 5 AI tools that automate this whole process.